About to land in Amsterdam. Very cloudy. The ride was smooth, but as you can see, it's extremely cloudy weather, but the sun is peeking through. I'll make some more video when we're approaching Amsterdam. Amsterdam. This is our soccer field. It's really windy. As you can see, look at you can see the wing, how much is moving right now and how cloudy the weather is. And we're about to land at Amsterdam Schiphol International Airport. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning, and see how dark it is right now. All these canals down there, which is Amsterdam is famous for. It's my second time over here in 3 months. I'm going to be having a short stay here, and then we'll be moving on to Istanbul. And I'll be making the movie of the landing at Istanbul and arriving in Amsterdam as well. Look at those beautiful homes downstairs, guys. And it's really windy right now. There's a building with KLM sign. We're about to land, guys. Captain has given a little bit of thrust. And here we are, about to land at the final approaches of Schiphol International Airport. There's another small runway over there. And we're going to land right now. Very hard landing. Looks that way it's going to be. Let's see what happens. And here we go. We just landed in Amsterdam, Schiphol International Airport.
Welcome to Amsterdam. Local times approximately 9. Before you deplane, please check the seat pockets and other storage areas to make sure you have all your belongings. And please use care when opening the overhead bins, for their contents may have shifted. It's certainly been our pleasure having you with us. In the future, if your plans call for air travel, we hope you once again will think of United. Thank you and have a great day. Taxi naar Amsterdam van Stadsentral. Reiziger is om 5:09 's ochtends. Wij zullen een introductie. Kijk, als we nu zitten op het bordje plaatsen, zien dat
And look at those planes about to land.
Neem alle persoonlijke dit mee. Op het bagageruim bovenin voorzichtig. Inhoudelijk de beste vlucht zijn verschoven. Namens deze helemaal dank met United Australia als partners. Hopen dat u een prettige vlucht heeft gehad. Spoedig weer terug te zien.
There's a big hangar over there for KLM. We have to wait here for a while because they're really busy. They don't have a gate ready for us. But we'll keep you updated, okay? 25 minutes of waiting at the tarmac. We finally got the gate and we're moving towards it right now. And Schiphol International Airport is very big, very busy as well. I first came here when I was a little kid in 1984, and I was in awe flying in from Karachi to Amsterdam and seeing this huge airport. And back then Karachi airport was not as big as it is today, but from a, for a kid from a small, country coming over here, looking at all these big planes, huge buildings, it was amazing, experience. And if you have a chance, as you can see how, windy we are, this windy is outside and basically, and you can see my hands are shaking even though we're moving on the ground, but the wind is blowing really hard. And over there's a KLM hangar. And we're finally approaching our gate, finally. Over there in the foreground, that's Boeing 737-800, I guess it is. It's 800 from Thomson. That's the airline, a discounted airlines from United Kingdom. And that's Schiphol International Airport cargo terminal. You can see that. And we're arriving here. And there's another plane from United Airlines, 767-300. And I guess they're also waiting for their turn to be parked. And those are the KLM planes. Most of them are 737-700s. They're pretty tiny, so they usually go into the regional areas. I mean, they do have like 3,000 miles range, but they, I think KLM use it for the European operations only. That's Air France A321, and that's the control tower of the Schiphol International Airport. And it's almost 9:30 in the morning, but look how dark it is. Keep you updated. Something really cool. Look at this over there. On the top of the building, there's an airplane. As you can see, that's Schiphol. about to park. The name of the plane up there, which is parked over there on the top of the building, is City Hopper. Pretty cool. Guys, finally we're disembarking from the plane. And I'm gonna show you once we come out of the plane. Here we are. That's a first class cabin. Pretty nice. This dude is walking extremely slow. Morning, morning. Hi. Bye. Thank you. And here we are at Amsterdam, where